Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And together we are Fun King 3D, and today is Mailbag Monday, episode number 8.
8.
8? That's 8, right?
I think so.
Okay.
I never learned fingers, so I don't know.
You never learned fingers?
I never learned fingers.
I'm not even sure what that phrase means. So anyway, this Mailbag Monday is going to be broken up into 4 parts. This is part 1. We started that last week and it got good feedback. It keeps the videos a little bit shorter. So part 1 is a little bit special, and honestly, everything that you guys send us is very special to us. I love everything that comes in. I love the 3D prints and stuff. These 2 particular items were hand delivered to us at Gainesville Maker Faire by Sholm of a Skewed View 3D. And he told me that he had something for us that was a little too big to mail, but this just
a little.
This just blew me away. This was unbelievable. This guy, I mean, not only is he big, he's heavy. I do want to go ahead and take him out of the box, but we did not
have the right battery.
Yeah, we didn't make enough.
There's still tape on the sides.
We didn't make enough planning for this, so it takes 6C batteries, and we didn't have 6C batteries, so we're not going to be able to fire him up. But we definitely want to get him out of the box and let.
He also has a cane at the side.
It's like a Yoda elevator.
Oh, and there's an instruction manual.
Oh, imagine that.
I got it.
I'm not sure how to get him out of the box.
Maybe if you break this tape and then break the straw.
Well, that's string, and that's just holding the. I guess we could look at these instructions back here. Oh no, that's just how to put batteries in. I'll probably just speed this part up.
Are C batteries the big ones?
No, those are D's. C's are the next size down, like the medium size. Free the Yoda! Wow. See what he's got holding them down on the bottom. Whoa, 2 more.
Oh my gosh, how many was there? 5?
5. Oh, and then there's some of that super stretchy invisible stuff. Oh, he is awesome.
Oh my.
Wow. He is too cool. He is way too cool.
Yeah. It's a legendary Yoda.
The walking stick has electrical contacts on it so that he knows when it's in his hand. So he's still got a ton of packaging on him, and we'll end up, oh, he's got like a grip too. That's cool. You can just like hang out and walk around with your Yoda.
It feels weird.
What do you mean he feels weird? He feels like Yoda.
Feels weird. How do you know what Yoda feels like?
Oh, me and Yoda, we've been friends for years. So well, that is so cool. I can't wait to get him fired up and see what he does, and we may have to make another video just about what he does too, because that's pretty cool.
Hey, he kind of looks like you.
Kind of looks like me because he's bald?
Yeah.
I knew that was coming from you.
Yeah.
All right, so Sholm also included in our care package a full roll of Color Fab steel fill.
Oh, so what color is it? Gray? Silver?
And I haven't played with steel fill. I actually don't know what color it is. I would assume that it is a gray or a steel color.
What if it's yellow?
We have so much yellow filament.
I don't care. This will be special.
Well, it is special. I mean, feel how heavy that is.
Oh my!
It's steel fill. And look at it. It's not even a full spool because it's sold by the kilo. And that is that's actually not a bad gray color. So that will be interesting to see, and he's interested to see what we do with it. So we got to come up with something really fantastic. But that is unbelievably heavy for what that is. So I don't know. Were you around too many paint fumes this morning?
I think so.
All right, so that that is these wonderful gifts from a Skewed View 3D. Of course, their
There's
link
still
will be
stuff on
in
the
the.
hand.
I know, I said that already. There will be a link to their YouTube channel in the description, as well as their My Mini Factory and their what's the other one, Thingiverse, and you'll be able to go and check out some of their models. They actually produce 300
week.
models a day, I think.
100 models a day.
No, it's a lot. They're producing a lot. So
It's like 3 a week, I believe.
Shulman boys, thank you so much for this. This is awesome. He really is. He is incredible, and not something that I would have necessarily bought for myself. So that's
I would've.
that's cool. I don't know where he's going to get to live. He should probably live on the shelf behind us for a little while at least. The shelf of fame. Oh no, that's fame. Yours is the shame.
Mine is fame. Yours is shame. Because mine is fame because
All
it
right,
has
so
a
stay
robot
tuned
on it.
for episode number 2 as we unbox the next
No,
set.
it's part 2.
Oh,
not
sorry, part 2 of
episode.
episode 8, right.
It will come out in approximately
and there will be
10
a
seconds.
link here for that. And if you haven't yet subscribed and you'd like to, click right here. All right, check out part 2.